seatbelt fastened whenever you're in your seat, even if the seatbelt signs are not illuminated. If you're planning on getting some rest and using a blanket or a duvet, please just fasten your seatbelt over the top so the crew can see it clearly. This will save us from disturbing you. Be careful if you open overhead compartments in flight, as items may have moved during takeoff. Smoking, including electronics, smokeless cigarettes and vaping, is not allowed on board, and all of our toilets are equipped with smoke detectors. If you're connecting your electronic equipment to the in-seat power supply, please do not leave it connected while you're not using it. Our flight time this evening is a very quick 7 hours, and please don't forget that we're here to help. So if there's anything else that we can do to make your flight more enjoyable, just ask. Otherwise, sit back, relax and enjoy the Virgin Atlantic experience. Thank you.